Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a negative ghost effect in CapCut. So first just add your clips and then copy it and make the overlay, make one of the clip as overlay. Then after that, on the overlay, go to adjust saturation and lower it to -50. And after that, go to grab, still on the adjust, go to grabs and use this curve. Okay, after that, just go back and then click on a check icon, add 2 keyframes at the beginning and also the end of the overlay, and zoom the clip in on a second keyframe. And then go to blend and lower the opacity to 30. Click on a check icon and now go to grabs, go in between the keyframes and go to grab and use this custom grab. Okay, click on a check icon and now go to animation, still on the overlay, out, and click on fade out for 0.5 seconds. Click on a check icon and now go back and go to the video effects. Click on retro and select the JVC effect. Adjust the effect like this, so the color 35, intensity 100, then filter 0. Click on the check icon and now you are done, and here is the negative ghost effect. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and click on the thanks below. Bye.